Welcome back to the Auto Dynamic. Today we're diving into a machine that doesn't just challenge the wild, it owns it. This is the 2026 HD Max off-grid trim, a full-fledged 6x6 camper motorhome built for people who don't believe in limits. At first glance, this thing looks more like a military-grade exploration rig than a regular camper. The raised ground clearance, reinforced steel bumpers, and armored underbody protection tell you immediately that this beast was engineered to survive terrains where roads simply don't exist. And with a 6x6 drivetrain powered by a high-torque turbo-diesel hybrid powertrain pushing out nearly 750 lb-ft of torque, climbing rocks, dunes, or snow feels effortless. Now let's talk capability. The suspension is an adaptive multi-link air setup with auto leveling, meaning whether you're cruising on highways or bouncing over boulders, the ride stays surprisingly smooth. The tire's massive 37-inch all-terrain run flats that can keep rolling even after a puncture. And yes, it comes with a built-in onboard air compressor to inflate them after deflating for soft sand driving. Range anxiety, forget it. The HD Max off-grid trim comes with dual fuel tanks plus integrated solar roof panels feeding a 25 kWh auxiliary battery pack. Combined, it delivers nearly 1,500 kilometers of range that's enough to disappear into the wilderness for weeks without refueling. Moving inside, the cabin is pure luxury meets survival tech. Soft touch leather seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions for both driver and co-driver. A panoramic smart display stretch across the dash, showing navigation, terrain scan, tire pressure, and even drone-assisted surroundings because yes, this thing comes with a launchable scouting drone. Walk into the living module and you're met with a futuristic mini apartment. A modular kitchen with induction stove, water purifier, and a 75-liter fridge-freezer combo. A convertible lounge that becomes a queen-size bed, plus an overhead retractable bunk for extra sleeping space. And for those freezing nights, underfloor heating powered by the onboard thermal system. Even the bathroom is no compromise, compact, but with a built-in hot shower and smart composting toilet to stay eco-friendly. Unique features: how about an externally mounted tool rack with integrated power outlets for welding or power tools? A roof-mounted observation deck with fold-out canopy. And an auto-deploying leveling system that stabilizes the vehicle on uneven ground with just one button. So, who is this 2026 HD Max really for? Not your average weekend camper. This is for the explorers, filmmakers, off-grid nomads, and apocalypse preppers, the ones who want freedom without boundaries. It's not just a vehicle. It's a mobile fortress. A home. A survival pod. A luxury suite. All sitting on 6 unstoppable wheels. If you could take this 6x6 monster anywhere in the world, where would you go first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because the Auto Dynamic is just getting started.